y'all? Welcome back to another video. So it's been a really long day. Today I want to be sharing with y'all my nighttime hair care routine. It's super fast and super easy, so I thought that I would just show you how amazing the process is because it's so fast and easy. So I wore my hair up today. Y'all know what I do if you watched my how I style my hair video. Just shake it out and this is what I get. Since I just had a fresh retightening, my scalp kind of itches a little bit, and whenever that happens I like to take a little bit of oil, kind of massage my scalp so that I can kind of relieve some of that itching. That's what works for me. Now I usually take one of two oils, jojoba oil, or I'll take this sweet almond oil and use this. Now tonight I think that I'm going to take some of the jojoba oil. I like both of them the same, so it doesn't really matter to me. I just want to show y'all, give y'all some options as to what you could use. And I just take a little bit, just a little bit, rub that on my fingers and nails, and then I'll just go in and just massage my scalp because it itches. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I have some flaking. My scalp is really dry. So after I do that, something that I'm just now starting to implement into my nightly routine, if I don't do anything else, I'll try to make sure that I do this, and that is detangle my hair. Yes, I thought that I was done with detangling my hair once I decided to get Microlocs, but I've noticed that it is important to just run your fingers through your hair from root to ends like this. I do want to just make sure that I do this to keep them separated and to make sure that they don't lock onto each other. As I'm doing this, I can feel little stray strands of hair attaching onto other locks, and they're just like connecting that way. So at this point, it all just depends on my mood. I'll either go ahead and wrap my hair up, I'll either use just like a satin or silk scarf, or I'll use my slap cap. I would recommend, I just washed it so I have all these like little buzzes on it, but I'll take my slap cap. This is just like a beanie, but it has a satin lining on the inside, so it's very protective, and you'll also look more put together. This was designed so that you'll be able to wear this at night, get up in the morning, and you can still go with this on and still look fine. So I'll either put this on or this. I'm not gonna take that step just yet. Tomorrow I kind of want to have some kind of definition in my hair. Last night I didn't do any twist outs or any braid outs or anything, so this is what my hair looks like without styling. But I kind of want to style for tomorrow, so I think that I'm just going to do a couple of 2-strand twists so that I can have a twist out tomorrow. I never twist all the way to the ends, or I never braid all the way to the ends, just to make sure that they don't all like lock onto each other and it won't be super hard for me to take down. twisting my hair up. Now onto the final step, which is just like wrapping your hair up. And that's it. That's the whole routine. That's all I do to my hair at night. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm about to go to bed, and I'm out.